Hi everyone, welcome to SAP FICO World. Today we are going to learn how to edit chart of accounts list, assign chart of account to company code, define account groups, and define retained earnings account. If you want go through path you can find here. For edit chart of account T code is OB13. Click on New Entry. Give chart of account name. Here I am giving chart of account name same as my company code. Maintain language. English. Length of GL account number up to 10 characters. I am giving only 6 characters. Click on Save. Next. Assign chart of account to company code. Entity code OB62. Click on Position. Give your company code. Give your chart of accounts name in chart of accounts in blank field. Click on Save. Next, define account groups. Enter the T code OBD4. Here, I am copying the account groups from another company. Select the account groups. Click on Copy icon. Replace the chart of account name. Here, I am giving my own chart of account name. You can see here GL account length is only 4 characters. I can give up to 6 characters. In edit chart of account I given only 6 characters. I can take the length between 1 to 6 characters. Click on Save. Define retained earning account. Enter the T code OB53. Give your chart of accounts name. In profit and loss statement field give X. In account field, give any number from reserve and surplus account group. Ignore the errors, click Enter. And Save. Today we have completed this 4 topics. For reducing the video length I am not explaining theory. If you want theory I give in description. Please find. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.